Hey guys, it's Kylie with WTI. So if you're like me, you like to feel safe in your home. Recently, we installed this Guardline quarter-mile range wireless driveway alarm. I live on half an acre and my house is set a little ways back, so sometimes I don't always know if someone is coming up my driveway. So having the Guardline alarm is just really nice. It was really easy to set up. It took just a few minutes and it was very easy to install outside as well. So we put it on a tree at the start of our driveway, but you can install it on a fence or a post. It's also weatherproof, as you can see, and it holds up really great in inclement weather. So the system comes with a couple of different pieces. It comes with the alarm sensor itself and then also the receiver. The receiver goes in your home and it has to stay plugged in order for it to alert you that the alarm is going off. So I'm inside now and I have the Guardline receiver right here, and you'll notice that it's gonna go off when someone walks by the alarm. So having the Guardline alarm on my property has been a huge benefit. It's a huge peace of mind for me to know that if someone is driving up my driveway or if they're walking up my driveway, I'm gonna know about it. And that's my point of view.